today's video, we are going to explore a crucial aspect of achieving a high band score by using connectors and linking words effectively. So let's get started. Segment 1. Connectors for adding information. The first connector for adding information is additionally. For example, additionally, governments should invest in renewable energy sources to combat climate change. Furthermore, research indicates that regular exercise has a positive impact on mental health. Moreover, the economic benefits of this policy are substantial. In addition, it is essential to consider the social implications of this decision. What's more, this technology not only saves time but also reduces costs. Besides, there are numerous cultural advantages to learning a second language. Also, the government policies aim to protect the environment. Also, they promote sustainable economic growth. Segment 2. Connectors for giving examples. For instance, countries like Sweden and Norway have achieved remarkable progress in sustainable transportation. For example, smartphones have revolutionized communication by making it faster and more accessible, such as many endangered species such as pandas and tigers require urgent conservation efforts. Like other forms of renewable energy, solar power harnesses the sun's energy to generate electricity. Namely, several factors contribute to this issue, namely lack of education, poverty, and healthcare disparities. Segment 3. Connectors for giving reasons. Because the decision to invest in public transportation is essential because it reduces traffic congestion and air pollution. Since the 2000s, there has been a significant increase in global temperatures due to climate change. As the data clearly demonstrates, there is a strong correlation between educational attainment and income levels. Owing to advancements in medical technology, life expectancy has increased significantly in recent years. Due to the decline in traditional industries is primarily due to globalization and automation. The reason for this surge in online shopping is the convenience it offers to consumers. Segment 4. Connectors for contrasting ideas. However, the government's economic policies have boosted growth. However, income inequality remains a pressing issue. Nevertheless, the new regulations have led to some challenges. Nevertheless, they have had a positive impact on the environment. On the other hand, Proponents argue that the benefits of nuclear energy outweigh the risks. Although some may argue against stricter gun control, public safety should be a top priority. Even though the company faced financial setbacks, it managed to bounce back and regain its market share. In contrast to previous years, this quarter's sales figures have exceeded expectations. Conversely, while some prefer urban living, others find solace in rural areas. Segment 5. Connectors for showing results or effects. Therefore, the pollution levels have risen significantly, therefore immediate actions is required. Thus, the new policy aims to reduce traffic congestion, thus improving the overall quality of life for citizens. Consequently, the company's profits have steadily declined over the past year. As a result of global economic instability, job opportunities have become scarcer in recent times. Hence, it is vital for individuals to save for retirement from an early age. So, the market demand for eco-friendly products is growing, so businesses should adapt to this trend. Accordingly, consumer preferences are changing, and accordingly, companies are shifting their marketing strategies. Segment 6. Connectors for sequencing ordering ideas. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, etc. Firstly, let's examine the problem. Secondly, we will explore potential solutions. Thirdly, we will assess their feasibility. Next, we will delve into the implications of these findings for public policy. Then, we have discussed the causes of the issue. Then, we will consider its potential consequences. Finally, in conclusion, we all summarize the key takeaways from this discussion. In conclusion, all the evidence supports the need for stricter environmental regulations. To begin with, we will analyze the historical context of this phenomenon. Segment 7. Connectors for giving emphasis. Importantly, this breakthrough discovery could revolutionize the field of medicine. Notably, this artist's work has been featured in prestigious galleries worldwide. Above all, safety should be the top priority in any construction project. Indeed, these findings confirm the significance of early childhood education. Certainly, the benefits of a balanced diet and regular exercise cannot be overstated. Segment 8. Connectors for summarizing or concluding. In summary, this research highlights the importance of mental health support in schools. To sum up, the key to a successful business is understanding and meeting customer needs. Overall, the project has been a resounding success, exceeding our initial expectations. In conclusion, the evidence overwhelmingly supports the need for stricter environmental regulations. To conclude, effective communication is essential for fostering strong relationships. To summarize, the primary causes of air pollution are industrial emissions and vehicular traffic. Segment 9. Connectors for giving alternatives. Alternatively, you can choose to work from home if commuting is a challenge. Or, you can either take the bus or ride a bike to reduce your carbon footprint. Otherwise, you can complete the assignment today, otherwise you might struggle to meet the deadline. Instead of watching TV, consider reading a book to relax. On the other hand, you could invest your savings in the stock market for potential long-term gains. Segment 10. Connectors for expressing similarity. Similarly, both countries face economic challenges despite their different political systems. Likewise, the two companies share a commitment to environmental sustainability. In the same way, regular exercise benefits both physical and mental health. Just as education is essential for personal growth, lifelong learning is equally valuable. As well as physical health as well as mental well-being is crucial for a balanced life. Thanks a lot. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable IELTS insight. Thanks.